Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wellcore creatine effectively. We'll cover the simple steps to integrate it into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Understanding the correct dosage and timing is key to unlocking its full potential. This easy method ensures you get the most from your supplement without any complicated calculations or schedules. Let's get started on building a stronger you. Getting your daily dose of Wellcore creatine is straightforward. Simply take 1 scoop, which is typically 3 grams, and add it to about 200 to 250 milliliters of your preferred liquid. Water or juice works perfectly. Make sure to stir it thoroughly until the powder completely dissolves. This ensures you get every bit of the supplement in each serving, making it easy to consume. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. You might wonder about the best time to take your Wellcore creatine. The good news is, you can take it at any point during your day. Some people prefer it post-workout to support muscle recovery, but the most critical factor is simply taking it consistently every single day. Don't stress too much about exact timing, just make it a regular part of your routine for the best long-term results. Staying well hydrated is super important when using creatine, so remember to drink plenty of water daily. A common question is about a loading phase. With Wellcore creatine, an initial loading phase isn't necessary. You can simply start with the recommended daily dose of 3 grams. Consistent daily intake will effectively saturate your muscles over time, providing all the benefits without extra steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.